Get all the rinds from yesterday. I have to throw those all in the compost pile. I cut up watermelon, cantaloupe, and pineapple for a breakfast, and then I just left it in front of the tortoise hut, and obviously the chickens, they know where to get it, and they went crazy. Yeah, I'm just getting some mealworms right now. They love it. Someone got pooped on. That's gross. And then the little baby chicks are inside. Yeah, I know, girls. Happy. So spoiled they don't even know where to go. Look at them go.